Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial. And on this video we will gonna learn how to import a JPEG file that can't be imported in Photoshop. Yeah, it's really sounds silly. So let's go to the tutorial. So first we're gonna open Photoshop, of course. And by the way, I'm using the CS3 version. And then we're gonna open this folder in desktop, this JPEG file. As you can see, this is a JPEG file, and if we try to import it or drag and drop in Photoshop, it says this. So how do we import this JPEG? So what we're gonna do is right click the photo and open with paint, and then click file, save as still JPEG, and then let's just put this in the same directory and change the file name a little bit so we can see the difference between them, and click save, close. And then this was the JPEG file that we saved from paint. So let's try to drag it in Photoshop, and yeah, it's our file is been opened in Photoshop. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please do me a favor and subscribe. Thanks for watching.